Oh, doy, 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 doy.
Uy, Doy!
Oh, there's a fish, guys. That's a burbot. Wow. Ooh. What's that?
Lime.
What's that? Yun. Walay. Ah, huli din.
Maliit. Hello everyone! So today is January 1st, Saturday, and we're heading to Gull Lake for ice fishing. This is our first time doing that activity and we don't know what to do. This is a learning experience for us. We are two cars again, Rob G channel and Adrian. Yeah, BT Junior in the house.
I'm super pumped, guys, because this is our first time.
Yeah.
We'll be staying in ice fishing shacks.
Overnight.
Yeah, overnight.
We'll give you a tour when we get there. Like I said, this is our first time, so we brought a lot of stuff. So we don't know yet on how should we pack or how should we prepare our, tools and whatnot. So we'll see.
It will be a learning experience. I'm so excited. We'll see you there, guys.
Stay tuned, guys. I forgot to mention a while ago that the travel time for our house from our destination is 1 hour and 44 minutes. So yeah, right now we are 8 minutes away. So we're excited to see the shack and experience this moment. So we'll see you. Bye. So guys, we are this. See? Right here it says just go straight and then you will be reaching our destination. See, just straight and then we're there. I don't know.
Oh, this is what I like. My tires belong in this trail. Look at that, smooth.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh yeah, there's a Gull Lake. Woohoo!
Alright.
Those are the shops. The question is, where is our shop? Okay guys, so that's the main update. So we're here. Look, in the wilderness. In the vast wilderness.
Bruh.
It's a lake.
I know. O sige na, go.
Alright guys, this is the lake. So we're just gonna wait to Chad.
1 hour later.
What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the vlog. So we are in the middle of the lake. Like Lalab explained earlier, we will be staying overnight in these luxurious ice fishing shacks, the Gull Lake Fishing Charters, company owned by Chad. So that's Chad, the owner of the shack. He's just giving us info regarding the shack and the fishing regulations and what do's and what not.
Hello everyone, so we're finally here. We signed the documents that we needed to, the consent and waivers. So right here we have a
Barbecue.
Barbecue grill, washroom. This is our generator.
Yep.
Gull Lake Fishing
So
Charters.
if you guys want to try and experience ice fishing shacks, the owner's Chad. I'll put the link in the description down below.
Okay.
And company number,
So
something
let's
like
go,
that. Yeah,
guys.
let's go inside.
So upon entering the vicinity, so you'll see here there's holes right there. Okay, this is how you open the holes. Just pull it up like that. Frozen water. Okay. One as
So the
well.
fishing rod is provided to the company. We have one rod in here, and this one is removable.
On this side, you'll
So in
see
this side,
cabinets.
yeah.
Inside the cabinets are the DVD players. In this one, they are providing the plates and
plates
whatnot
and spices.
some seasonings.
This one is our
cooking station. See, they provided the cutleries as well,
Cutleries and,
disposables. Down here, just pots
just
and pans.
pots and propane tank.
Side,
We have a
just-
fire extinguisher, and on this
this
side
side,
is pretty much all the tools.
This is the menu.
Bait. This is
Okay.
also is provided the fishing charters. It's 2 vents for the
Okay,
heater.
when you see here, there's bunk beds here. 3 people can fit up, and
Yeah,
2
up.
people each on my side. And
This is
this
the
one,
double size mattress or
like futon.
futon. Yeah, you can sleep 2 person. There's speakers. Oh, doy.
Wait.
This part we skipped explained. So actually the shack is equipped an underwater HD camera, so you can see the fish and you hook under the water in this TV monitor, but it only works at daytime. It has DVD player as well to watch movie at nighttime. Pretty cool features in the shack. Oh, there's a fish, guys! That's a burbot! Wow! Oh my gosh!
So, got excited.
excited
Here
with the fish.
the speakers.
This is a charging port, the outlet.
They are shutting down the generator after 8 to 9 p.m. because of the noise. So
Yeah.
people can sleep very well and whatnot. The DVD is here and the speaker, Bluetooth is here. Everything is well provided for. And oops, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, and this is one of the hosts.
Alright guys, so that's about it. It's a little bit, confusion with explanation and whatnot. So, guys, so we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. And yeah, Rob G channel behind me. And the view, guys. Woo! This is gonna be exciting, super exciting. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Adrian Flo is drawn to capture the beauty in this frozen lake. As you can see, there's a lot of shacks surrounding in the lake. Even trailer. If you have a small light trailer, you can just camp here, park somewhere safety, and enjoy the rest of the day. What an incredible experience for us. We'll definitely do it again. Yeah, lubog mo lang. Guys, may bite na kami.
Because of me, I have good luck.
Stay tuned guys, magkakahuli din tayo mamaya. What's up guys? So it's night time and of course it's barbecue time. First catch.
Nope.
Ooh, nice. The GoPro. So let's go inside. So update, we haven't catch anything yet, but we have a couple bite already. So this is basically our setup, and right now we're just watching movie while enjoying our boozy. This is how it looks when you unfold the 2 sofa bed. We're 6 person, 2 in the bank bed, and 4 of us in the sofa bed. Alright, that's my truck right there. The ice fishing shack is here, and there's a bunch of ice fishing shacks around us, but it's 9 o'clock in the evening. You know, it's pitch black right now, so I don't know if that's the aurora right there. Maybe. there's another one in right there. It's pretty cold, guys. And that's Lalab right there.
So cold, guys.
We haven't got luck fishing. There's a bunch of fish showing the camera though, but that's about it. So I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. See what happened tonight. Hopefully we catch something. Feels so good if we catch something, right? So ciao. What's up, guys? So it's 11:30 in the evening. I get up because of the fishing rod bell ringing. I thought we catch something, but when I checked the rod, apparently he got off. Or maybe it's just a bite.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? So I think we got one. Yun. Woo! Fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh. What is that? What's that? Yun. Walay.
Maliit. Oh!
Oh, pike.
O, hindi, pakita mo pa rin. Open, pakita mo, hawak mo si Tubin mo.
It's a pike, guys. Woo! Nice.
Yay! Pero, okay, catch and release. Never mind.
Let's get some release.
Bye, fishy.
Really hooked, though.
Take the fish out of your mouth and just go back in the water. Bye.
Right here.
3, 2, 1.
Yun ata yung nakikita natin sa...
Oh. Good morning, guys. So it's day 2 and this is the last day as well. It's 7:30 in the morning. I caught one pike. There's a bunch of bite, but yeah, that's a pretty good experience. I'm just gonna set the camera to catch the sunrise. Let's fly the drone. Woo! Beautiful day. Woo! Good morning, people. What a beautiful day. So the gang is here. Adrian is flying the drone. is our last tower and we're still trying to catch one. Outside.
Where?
Right there. Woo. Let's check. Mamaya.
Can I pull it out? Goodbye.
Some live action going on in the camera. One pike is chasing the bait. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Ibaba mo ng konti yung bait.
Right, we are fully packed up and ready to go home. So I guess this is the Chad wipes. They're cleaning the shacks and preparing for another customer, another client. And this is our shacks. And we are ready to go home. Would I recommend these shacks? Definitely yes. Would I do it again? Absolutely yes. It's fun. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I guess we just wrap up in here and we'll see you guys on the road or at home. Right, guys, we'll catch you up later.
Salamin na lang ni Tita Ben.
What's up, Lala?
My happy place. What's up, what's up? So right now we're heading home. We did catch one, but it was a pike and we have to release it. But nonetheless, even though we didn't catch or take home any fish or cook any fish at the side on site, the experience was priceless. So it's all about the experience, right? So now we know what to do the next time we want to go ice fishing and whatnot. We know what to bring, we know what to expect. So yeah, thank you for tuning in every time with BT Junior, and we are so grateful and thankful and blessed to have you guys with us all the time and with your support. So
So yeah, we definitely recommend the company. I will put the link in the description down below and just check it out. And that's about it.
And we are so happy to witness the sunrise over there. It was truly magical and amazing. So yeah, thanks again guys for tuning in and watching our videos till the end. And may you have a happy new year. We greet you a happy new year, guys. Alright, see you on the next one. See you on the other side. Bye. Bye.
Bruh.